Welcome to our page. We sells high-quality universal shield COVID-19 viral inactivation transport medium. Our brand, Regeneration Biology. We ship our products worldwide. Brand, Regeneration Biology. Volume US, 3 ml origin. Cat hash, 624,927. Type of culture media, viral inactivation transport media. Format, liquid culture media. Application, cell culture growth. Packaging, 100 tubes per pack. Media type, prepared culture media. Storage requirement, 4 degrees Celsius, or at ambient temperature equals greater than 2 years. Details. Universal COVID-19 viral inactivation transportation medium is a prepared liquid culture media that is packaged in a 100 tubes. Viral transport medium VTM, 3 ml fill, additional swabs sold separately, order by the package of 100. Types of swabs that can be used. Mini tip for nasopharyngeal. Standard tip for oropharyngeal. Dacron, rayon, or synthetic flocked swabs are acceptable. About our product's quality. Quality are constant efforts to improve our high standard of quality and support is part of our internal quality system. All our fetal bovine serum products are manufactured and produced under strict CGMP compliance in FDA-registered facilities to guarantee consistency, traceability and total control. Feedback from our clientele has proven to be of major standing in preparation and executing projects for better quality logistics and faster buyer support. Contact us, phone 617-207-7113, WhatsApp, 011-613-693-0721, fax 1-888-869-0448, email, sales@regenerationbiology.com.